Just thought I'd pop in and say hello and remind you that on Wednesday evening, 10th of November, 7 till 9 p.m, I'm offering my colour workshop. Now, that colour workshop is to introduce you both to the language and the power of colour. We say things like red rag to a bull, or I'm feeling blue, or I'm in the pink, and we know what those things mean, and yet we haven't actually explained it. We've just said a colour. So you have emotion attached to colour. And therefore you can use those colours to give you positive emotions, to send messages out to people. For instance, do you know the colours to wear if you're going for an interview? Have to come to the workshop to find out. Or what colours to decorate your rooms so that you get the feeling that you want in that room. You know, think about in a lounge, you want to feel calm and comfortable and relaxed. And in a kitchen or kitchen diner or dining room where you're eating and preparing food, you want to enjoy your food and you want energy and you want creativity. So you'll find all that out. And alongside that, you need to know your colour personality. Because for some people to feel calm and relaxed, they want cool colours. And for some people to feel warm and relaxed, they need warm colours to feel cosy. So it's combining those two. And whoever you live with, if you do, then there might be a different personality to you. So it's finding out ways to do that. But it's all about creating the feelings, the positive emotions, and to do that for yourself within your clothing and to understand your personality. You know, I have friends who have very different personalities to me, and I can walk in somebody's home and I can instantly tell you their colour personality. So come along and find out more. In order to book, then just contact me on email, which is JanetBroughton at thepositivechangecoach.com. Okay, so drop me a line. It's only £35 for 2 hours of fascinating information that you can then make use of to make life feel better and to be able to achieve more. So I look forward to seeing you. Do take care. Thank you.